failure one. I did. This is funny. This is failure two. Of course, the makeup and the styling made it look better, but it was actually a flop. It was bad. Bad, bad. Then the third one, which you're about to see, I don't know if I'm gonna call it a failure or not, but I'll leave that up to you guys to judge and see. Tell me if it's a failure in the comment section below or not, which is the video I'm going to show you how to create this look. All right, guys, let's keep on watching. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be creating a curly hair look using my FLEXI rod, which I got from my local beauty supply. First thing first, how are you doing? If you are a returning subscriber, hello, welcome to our channel. If you are a new subscriber, hey. And if you are just stumbling into my video for the first time, welcome. My name is Grace and welcome. We're going to do this together. So, like I said, I got this FLEXI rod from my beauty supply and I'll be using every curly product from Lotta Beauty. I saw this Lotta Beauty from Instagram and I decided to go for it. Okay, so first and first, you have to make sure you moisturize your hair real good with water and leave-in conditioner. Then I went in with the foaming mousse from Lotta Body, and then I also went in with the pudding. I combed, I brushed it through before I now used, I now wrap my head around the FLEXI rod. Like you can see, self-explanatory, so you can see how I did it. And it came out pretty good. I would say it came out real good. So you have to do this, and once you're done, you just have to secure it so that it won't fall or it won't pull out. And this is a heatless method I used. I didn't use no heat. I had to let it dry by itself, and that is why I said no, it's a heatless method. So let's just keep watching because this video is self-explanatory. Honestly, I left this hair for over 5 days before I pulled it out. I took it out. Please do not do this, because that's why I said I don't know if it came out good or not. So when you are getting this out, or you want to curl the hair, make sure you apply your hair growth oil to avoid freezes and to also make the hair shine. So that is what I did, and you just have to style it to your preferred, style, which what I did. Like you can see, I didn't even know if I can give myself a plus or a minus for this, but anyways, I made it work by applying, putting that, brighter or whatever silver stuff on it, and it looked good. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most especially subscribe. It's definitely free. Okay guys, until next time, see ya. Bye. Mwah.